Hello students, welcome to chapter 2 Windows 10. Okay, let's do recap of chapter 1 History of Computer. What we have learned in History of Computer? We learned early counting devices, electronic counting devices and generations of computer. In this chapter, we are going to learn about Windows 10 and the basics of operating system, and we are going to learn about desktop features. Okay, we will start with operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is a key part of all computers. It is a software. What is software? Software is a set of instructions given to computers to do particular task. It's a middleman of computer and human. Okay, let me explain with a simple example for you all. You all know about car. What is the use of car? Yeah, we can travel with the help of car. We can travel from one place to another place. But we have different varieties of car. I have Honda City. Someone will be having a Maruti and BMW, Benz, Audi. But the purpose is same. It is helping us to move from one place to another place. What is the difference between Maruti, Honda City, BMW, Audi? Yeah, comfort and expensive. The same way we have operating system. See, operating system is a software. It is a middleman in between computer and human. The only difference is different brands of OS. Different brands will help us to work better. Microsoft has Windows, Apple has Mac OS, and Linux is a free operating system. Okay, what is the GUI? Graphical User Interface. See, all operating system, it is helping us to communicate with the computer. What OS is doing? OS is getting information from the human. It is converting into the machine language and it is processing the data and it is delivering the output in a human readable format. See, graphical user interface means, see, now all Windows OS having a icons. See, icons means it's a images. For each and every applications we have images to work better. In this chapter, we are going to learn about Windows 10. See, Microsoft created different OS. In 1980s, Microsoft Windows developed Windows OS. Over the years, they created different versions of Windows, but latest we are using Windows 10. This chapter, we are going to learn about Windows OS. Okay, how will you identify what kind of a OS I am using for my computer? Yes, see, whenever you are switching on a computer, the first window you are seeing is User Account Screen. From this you can come to know what kind of a OS I am using for my computer. What is mean by User Account Screen? Let me tell you with one example. I am having my house. Whenever I am going out of my house, I will be locking my house. When I am coming back, I want to open my house with my house key. The same way, whenever you are switching on your computer, you have to use your login ID and password. A computer does not allow a stranger, just like you would not open the door to a stranger. To enter Windows 10, Use the correct combination of username and password. After choosing the right username and entering the password, you will see the Windows desktop. You can refer this image how your login screen will look like in Windows 10. See, admin is a user ID. In the dialog box, you have to type your correct password. Once computer will check for your correct password. If it is matches with your username and password, it will open your desktop screen. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. In next video, we will learn more about Windows desktop. Thank you, students. I will meet you in next video.